Pixelating in Premiere Pro is really easy, okay, and it's the same fundamentals throughout. But today I'm going to show you how to pixelate a face, okay. So first thing you do, get your video or photo, whichever one it is, and head up into effects, okay. And you want to type mosaic, and under the stylized mosaic, drag and drop that onto your video, okay. Then head up into effect controls. Don't worry, this isn't the final product, and choose a mask, okay, whatever best fits your video. I have a face, so I'm going to choose the circle one, and I'm just going to adjust that so it covers the face that I want to blur and nothing else really, so it looks really clean. That's done. The next thing I'm going to do is change the blocks, okay, so I'm going to change them to 50, and what this is going to do is essentially shrink your squares, so that looks a lot better. Once that's done, you'll notice the edges don't look great, so adjust your mask feather for that, okay, just so they blur in a little bit nicer, just like that. Then if it's a photo, you're done, nothing else to do, okay. If it's a video, make sure your timeline is at the very beginning and just press this play button, and what it's going to do is it's going to track that face, okay. And my video has now been tracked, so let me show you how it looks. Follows his face perfectly. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.